Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss some phrases and words related to sleep. I have provided the meaning and example, and at the end of the video I have given some question answer for practice. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to share and press like button. Please give your suggestion in the comment section also. Let's begin our video. Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to give you some phrases, words related to sleep, because in your IELTS test and in your DUOLINGO test you have one topic related to sleep. Part 1 questions are also there, part 3 questions are also there, and specific cue card is also available for the sleep topic. Okay, so it is very useful for you. In this video I have chosen some of the most common words and expression which is helpful to you, and I am going to make another video, that is part 2. In that also I am going to share half of them. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. First one is 20 winks. 20 winks means a quick nap. जल्दी से आप थोड़ा आराम करने के लिए सो जाते हो, उसको नैप बोलते हैं 20 winks. Now see the example. I went home to go grab 20 winks before returning back to work. I went home to go grab 20 winks before returning back to work. Second example. I prefer to take 20 winks before jumping over new task. नया टास्क चालू करने से पहले थोड़ा आराम करना होता है, उस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए सेंटेंस में यूज़ किया गया है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पास आउट. पास आउट मीन्स टू फॉल asleep. I came home and passed out on the couch. I came home and passed out on the couch. Mohit was so tired after playing for 2 hours that he passed out without taking dinner. Mohit was so tired after playing for 2 hours that he passed out without taking dinner. Next is a cat nap. A cat nap means a quick but restful nap. Example. I am going to try to take a cat nap before my online classes will start. I am going to try to take a cat nap before my online classes will start. Next, doctors suggested to take power nap as it is good for health. Here I have used the power nap. You can also use a cat nap. Next one is to drift off to sleep. Means to slowly fall asleep. We will talk tomorrow. I am drifting off to sleep. Next sentence. I usually listen soft music while drifting off to sleep. मतलब आप पूरी तरह सो नहीं गए हो बट आधे अधूरे नींद में हो, उस टाइम को आप ड्रिफ्ट ऑफ टू स्लीप बोल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज अ नाइट आउल. ये नाउन है, किसी इंसान को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाइट आउल उन लोगों के लिए यूज़ होता है जो रात में काम करते हैं, जिनको रात में जल्दी सोना पसंद नहीं होता है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक रात में फील करते हैं. तो इफ़ सपोज समवन इज़ आस्किंग यू at what time you are doing your work or doing your task, and if you say I am night owl, means कि वो लोग रात को काम करते हैं. Meaning someone who often stays up late because they function better at night than in the morning. I am now night owl. I work till 3 a.m. every day. Next is nowadays many youngsters are night owl. Yeah, obviously youngsters are night owl because they are binge watcher of Netflix nowadays. Okay, next one is morning person. Morning person means someone who wakes up early morning and starts his work rather than work at late night. जो जल्दी सुबह में बहुत जल्दी उठ के अपना काम चालू कर देते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए मॉर्निंग पर्सन वर्ड यूज़ हो सकता है. Examples: My dad is morning person, he wakes up at 5 a.m. बेसिकली जो सीनियर पीपल हैं, सीनियर सिटीज़न हैं, उनको हैबिट होती है सुबह में जल्दी उठ के पूजा पूजा करते हैं. तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वर्ड टू डिस्क्राइब योर सीनियर सिटीज़न, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और नेबर और अ पर्सन हुम यू एडमायर. तो उन लोगों को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ हो सकता है. अमित इज़ मॉर्निंग पर्सन, हिज डेज बिगिन एट 6 a.m. Okay, so I have given some words and examples and their meaning also. I hope you learn them and note down them in your notebooks. Now here I am going to give you some questions regarding sleep. Okay, I want you all to answer them in comment section if you are comfortable with. Okay, very first question is, how many hours do you sleep at night? Next is, what time do you go to bed? Suppose if I want to use the word night owl, then I can use I am night owl. I almost go around 3 a.m. In the morning to sleep, where everybody else is waking up and I am going to sleep at that time. Okay? Do you have a nap during the day? Do you like to get up early in the morning? Can you sleep well if you are in a noisy environment? Is it necessary to take a nap every day? Okay, now these are the questions. You can do practice of these questions. It will be useful for your both the test IELTS and Duolingo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and like this. Take care.